I got a new softbox and I'm about to see what kind of crazy portraits we can get out of it.
Let me see you just walk.
So I got my friends with me today. I'm gonna be shooting with my A7 III, the 85 1.8 Godox flash system that I got from Amazon, and this friggin' 90 centimeter light box that I got from Amazon too. So we're gonna do this shoot at about 6 o'clock, because that's when my Amazon package came in. And we're here in Honduras, but we're gonna be shooting in a little sterile room. This room, as a matter of fact. So I wanna see if buying all that gear was worth it. Setting it up, you know, taking all the time to get the settings right. Or if I could just take pictures with just my camera and see how good they come out. So just right here. Real piercing. Yep. Look away. And then slowly right back at me. Here we go. Right here, right here, right here. There we go. And then that's probably my favorite shot. There we go, and then you just keep dragging that hand down. Hold that ball one more time, pretend there's a ball here. So you get the nice like dancerly shape in your hand. There we go. You are. And then do it one more time. Eyes to me. There we go. And then just do like a little devilish kind of smile. There you go. Alright, ready? Yeah! You got it. Got it. Let's thank you. Okay, let's drink some creme wine. So for me, what I like about it is the price. I got it on the cheap on Amazon. I think the light stand was $65 and the box itself was $50, and then the two flashes with the Godox trigger was like around $200. I think it got a lot of great light, and then by using it, I can change my settings so it'd be less grainy. I can get sharper pictures, more vivid colors, and I'd have to do a lot less in post-production. Plus, it just looks a little bit pro, you know? So what I didn't like about it, you have to buy batteries, carrying all the gear around, even though it's light, you still gotta, you know, take time to put it away, pack it up. Also, it kind of slows the shoot down, you know? So if you saw when I was vibing with the model, sometimes you just want to keep going and get it in the moment. And then what if the flash doesn't fire, or, you know, it's a little too bright? Some places don't even let you bring that. So I know like national parks and things like that, if you're gonna bring equipment or video gear, you need a permit. Wrap it all up. Is it worth it? Should you buy it? Did I like my decision of buying it? And the answer is yes. Freaking, I love it. It looks cool. I nerd out on gear, and I think it adds sharpness, it adds color. It's a great kind of vibe. You really feel like you're doing some artistry with setting the light how you want it. And it was a great shoot. Thanks to Sergeant friggin' McDonald for being a boss model for me. She just came from working out. We all just came from working out. That's why we were friggin' wearing that. And then I was like, hey, can I try out these new lights on you? And she was with it, man. So we took those pictures. I think they came out great. And I'll be posting them up. Like and subscribe on this thing. Do some little comments and follow me on Instagram. It's just @spiritofitall, one word.